wait to fly in a real airplane.
I know, Lulu. But first, let's pack everything you'll need. And don't forget your ticket, passport, and mask.
Before you fly, it's good to pack smart. Lulu brings a small toy, a book, headphones, a snack, a neck pillow, flight ticket, and passport.
There are so many people.
That's why we walk calmly, stay close, and listen carefully.
Lulu follows the rules, walks, doesn't run, listens to Mama and the airport helpers, uses her quiet voice.
Welcome aboard, Lulu. Here's your seat, 12A.
On the plane, Lulu buckles her seatbelt, keeps her voice low, turns off her tablet when told, says thank you when given snacks.
Wow, we're flying above the sky.
Even when she feels wiggly, Lulu remembers, stay seated, stay buckled, use inside voices, be kind to others around you. After landing, Lulu waits her turn to get off the plane.
Goodbye, Lulu. You were a wonderful passenger.
Thank you. That was so much fun. Let's remember how to be great travelers. Before flying, pack your things, bring quiet toys and snacks. At the airport, walk, listen, and stay calm. On the plane, buckle up, talk quietly, say thank you. After landing, wait your turn and help when you can. Now, I'm ready to fly anywhere. Are you? See you on the next adventure. Bye, friends.